Welcome back to Mama Joan's house where it's hot.
Like.
And when I said it hot, you know what I mean, guys? It is hot like what?
10,000
Scotch bonnet pepper. You understand?
Stay about for months. Your lip, your mouth, everything swell up. Just everything almost swell up.
So anyway, guys, as we sit here, Papa Harry is going to do a little video for you guys. So Papa Harry, what is the video all about?
Well, I want to say how innocent she is, because when we know Mama Joan was the devil himself. And all of a sudden now she turned innocent. So me want she check me with the how innocent me is, but I don't know if she innocent herself. So me I go check her out, you know. See how innocent she is, because when I might think Mama Joan innocent, but trust me, she don't know nothing about that road there. Innocent.
Well, listen to me now. I am an innocent, sweet, nice, darling baby girl. Him can't come test my innocence, because I know how innocent I am.
And say still water run deep, you know, so we are going to see how deep she run.
Okay.
We are going to ask you a couple of questions to see and test your loyalty and your innocence and everything. We can put on the spectacle. Guys, we can't ask you. Yes. First question, because I know you're a thief from morning still, you know, every day. Your thief. When I'm talking about thief, and you are the biggest thief in the world. Have you ever stolen money from me or any one of your family member them? Okay. I'm not telling a lie, you know. Don't tell a lie, because you're a thief.
Okay, Papa Harry, I've never stolen any money from you, but I did steal from my family member.
Oh, your family member?
Yes, and
yeah.
I had to do it.
Okay.
And I'm going to tell you the story.
Give me the story.
It's about my dad. You know, my dad used to go away and come back. You know, like he was like a drifter. Go and come and go and come. And there was one weekend my dad come home, and you know, my mom wanted to go buy some food. And she asked him, you know, she said, brother, you have any money? And him tell her, no, him don't have no money. You understand? And she believed him, so she didn't have no money. So what she did is the little money that she had, she went and she bought the food, and all of us eat, and you know, we were good. So we went to sleep. So when we go to bed, him wallet drop out time pocket, because I don't know what nigga right to take him. You know, when we eat, we just tired and we just want to go sleep. So him go sleep, and when him go sleep, him wallet drop out time pocket. And when me open the wallet having a whole heap of money. I didn't even left $1 in there. I take out the whole of it and I give it to my mother. But here the thing now, you see, because him tell her say him didn't have no money, him couldn't ask for the money, because him tell her say him not have no money. So you know him couldn't even squeal. So you know him going call me one side and say, Joan, did you see my wallet? I said, no, Papa, I did not see your wallet. Oh! But I was dying inside. And my mom just said, yes. That motherfucker, him come and him eat and him have money and him want to give it to my mom. And tell her she should have. So I take his money and I give it to her. So that was my time when me thief.
You can't even call that thief, because...
That's well. I take his. I never give it to me, and I take it and I give it to my mom.
He deserve that.
Yeah.
Because so the thing.
He was a motherfucker. Yeah. He might call a motherfucker. And
God don't like ugly.
This is why them say God don't like ugly. Yeah. And I said I didn't even leave him with $1 in the wallet. I take the whole thing and give it to my mother. Yes. So that is the first time I ever steal something.
You was a wicked woman.
You know what's not wickedness? That my mom was happy and we was happy. And when he moved along, we had food for weeks.
Yes,
because trust me, it was no little bit of money, you know. It was a nice kind of, yes, it was a good amount of money. Yeah.
Well, that was okay, as long as you never take nothing from out of my money.
No, I never take nothing. I can't remember if I take anything out of your wallet. Still, you know, you never know. But yeah, but I can't remember. You know what I'm saying? You know, you know Mama Joan sometimes. You know, sometimes she's serious. Who knows? You know?
He's still a thief. Okay, so we all go to the second question now. The one you say, the one you wicked, you know, my girl.
Mm-hmm.
And you have the body feet too, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Have you ever sent a nude picture to Udo? To anybody in that time? You never sent none to me.
No, I've never sent a nude picture. Back in the days, we didn't have camera to take those pictures to send to nobody. So
Okay.
you know, that's that we never do. No, yeah, that was out of the question.
Yeah, we never have a camera
Yeah.
at them time there. That's even picture we didn't have camera to take
Yeah,
to send.
yeah. So I never said nude. And in my old age, you know, we don't do that.
No, that was
either.
when you're young, honey.
Okay,
When
young
you're
thing I talk about. Okay,
No,
all
no.
right.
I don't want to see them. all
Okay.
for. Anyways, we could move on to the third one. Have you ever had a friend with benefit?
A friend with benefit? Yeah, man.
Different
Yes.
from me. Different from me.
Oh no.
I know what kind of benefit.
When you say have you ever had a friend with benefit? When I had you, we were a friend and you were benefit. So I thought you were talking about yourself, you know. So you were my friend with benefit at the time.
You want more other than me.
No. You was my only friend.
I was the only benefit.
You was the only friend with benefit that I have. Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Good to know.
Okay, all right.
Okay, we're now going to move on to the third one. Have you ever had... Oh, I never know. Trying to lie with that one, I know. Oh, let me tell you from now, you know. Have you ever had a one-night stand? Don't tell me a lie.
Have I ever had a one night stand? I got to think back. You know, I am not sure.
You're not sure about it.
As we say, sometimes, you know, I
No,
can't
you
remember.
don't forgot that.
No, I've never had a one night stand.
That if you say, hey, you take too long for answer that one they're doing on it. Like say, yeah, oh, it's all right.
No, I've never had a one night stand. There.
Okay,
Never had a one
hopefully.
night
I
stand.
don't believe you. But
That's all.
me I go move on.
Okay.
Have you, that one you look like it's sticky, you know?
Mm-hmm.
I know your teeth, you know. Have you ever been arrested?
Yes.
For what and when?
I was arrested the same time you were arrested.
Oh, yes.
You remember?
Okay.
The same time you were arrested, I was
Because you
arrested
were
then
not
because
arrested,
I was in the store, and if you didn't cop to whatever, then I would have yes.
That was that. Yes, I remember.
That was then, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That was good. That was good.
Yeah.
That's why I have to take the rap because I couldn't afford for you to go to jail.
Yes,
So.
yes,
Yeah, okay.
yes,
Okay.
yes.
That is
yes,
understandable.
yes.
Let me do another little one. Skinny dipping. I don't see them wear this thing, but have you ever been skinny dipping?
Well, I cannot swim, so I do not skinny dip.
You don't have to swim for dip.
So you go skinny dip if you don't swim?
You just dip, skinny dip, dip. You're not swimming, skinny swim, dip. So you can go into the water, in the shallow and dip. No?
No, I never skinny dip.
Okay.
Because I can't swim, so we don't know me I'm going to shadow go dip. I can't swim. No.
I mean, I know.
No.
I just ask.
Okay.
Anyway, we are going to move on. She said she never skinny dip.
I cannot swim.
Okay.
So I don't skinny dip.
Okay. Have you ever used a fake ID?
Yes, I did.
You did?
Yes.
What kind of ID that? For what?
Well, I used a fake ID years ago when I just come to this country and you don't have certain things, you have to do that.
Okay.
You know?
Okay.
You have to do that.
Okay.
So I have used a fake ID.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Move on.
Move on. Yeah.
Right. Have you ever cheated on me?
Have I ever cheated on you?
That me say.
Yes.
Talks to me.
I just say yes because you said no. I've never cheated on you. No, I've never cheated.
I don't believe you.
I've
You
never-
can't say yes and then you say no.
No, but just what for you see where you're gonna see a reaction and hear what you're gonna say. That's why I say that. No, but I've never cheated on you. No.
Okay.
You know that none of me. You do that.
Yeah,
I've
see
never
that
cheated
way
on
this
you.
still. Let's see that way. Okay, well, have you ever snuck out of your house to go see a guy?
Well, I wouldn't call it sneak out because back in my time, you can leave and come back late. So I have never snuck out, but I leave my house and come back late.
Go check a guy?
To see you.
Oh, it was me.
Yes.
Fine. As long as I'm me,
To see you.
it's fine.
Yeah, to see
Because
you.
I remember when me used to have to jump the
Fence
fence.
for open the
go
gate.
walk the gate.
Yes, yeah, because them lock the
Because
place
them lock
because
you
I
out.
come back late. Yeah. You know?
You was a naughty girl.
There's nothing naughty about that. I was with you. Spending time with you, I was really naughty.
You wasn't supposed to out there, first
Okay.
of all. And I had to jump the fence just to let you in.
Okay.
So that was being naughty.
Alright.
But move on. This is a good naughty, because it's me. Okay. Let me see. Have you ever watched Blue movie?
Yes.
Oh my God!
By myself.
Oh, because you know watch done with me.
No, I watch Blue movie by myself. Nothing wrong with that.
For what?
I just look on the movie. I just want to see what it's
no,
like.
people watch Blue movie for a reason.
Well, I don't have no reason. It's just a
You
movie.
just
I just
Blue
watch movie. Yes. And I don't see nothing wrong with watching
Did
a
you
Blue
enjoy
movie.
it?
Yeah.
Were you having fun?
I was watching the goddamn movie and there's nothing wrong with it. There's nothing to...
details.
You know what? Next time I'm going to watch a Blue movie with you.
Okay.
Because I don't like watching
No,
TV. I'm going to watch it with you next time.
Okay.
Okay?
Moving on from
Yes.
the Blue movie.
Yes.
We're going to the grey movie now.
Okay.
Have you, remember, it's a grey movie this we are talking about.
Okay.
Have you ever checked my phone while me sleeping? I think one night me cock one eye and spot it on my phone. But I'm not sure because I was sleeping. Have you ever checked my phone when
Listen,
you're sleeping?
Harry, you do not know how to use the phone. So I don't need to check it when you're sleeping because I can check it when you're awake and you don't know what I'm doing with it. Okay? Alright.
Okay. Take time with you.
I'm just
Take
telling
time with
you.
me,
I
man.
do not, I'm just telling you.
Okay. Well,
Okay?
that is a good one still. You know, I have to check it when me asleep.
No, but
Because
I
you can't
check
set
it when he's awake.
Yeah.
Yes.
Coming on nothing for it.
Because you know, there's nothing on it for check and you don't know whether I'm checking it or not because you don't really know how to use the phone.
Okay. Well, the one here, you know, me have a last one here, you know.
Check
The
it
one here
all
supposed
the
to
time.
wicked, you know. Have you ever smoked before?
Yes.
Will you smoke? Me never see you smoke yet, honey.
Well, I have smoked. You never see me smoke, but I have smoked.
Will you smoke?
I've smoked. I'll smoke a joint or two.
Giant? Oh, no. I was thinking cigarette.
No, I don't smoke cigarette. No,
Oh,
no.
giant.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you see you smoke. Giant well. Back in the days.
Back in the days. Back in them days,
Yeah.
there, you know.
Ah!
When not here flash, you
Wow,
know. Yeah.
I'm up on the waterfront and I
Yes.
drink the juice and two
Yes.
biggest spliff. Oh my God, them time they nice here.
I know.
Oh God, them time they can't come
Them
back.
time there was sweet time.
Well, honey, that's the last question, you know, when we really check it out, you know. I don't have a problem with the answers, them, you know. Because you sound like you was a goody two show. Well, that's how it come on to me. And me can't find no reason for think different about the answers there.
Well, guys, you don't hear it from Papa Harry. From the question them that him asked me and the answers them that I gave him, it seems like I am innocent.
Yeah.
So guys, I like you guys to comment down below
subscribe.
and let me know if you guys think I'm innocent. Okay? And guys, before me end the video, I want you guys to like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell so you don't miss a post when I post. And guys, comment and let me know if I'm innocent. Papa Harry said him think me innocent. Okay guys? And I will see you in my next video.
Later, guys.
We are out of here.